Right, back here on the T-Bird, getting the left rear spring out. There's 4 bolts that hold the front spring pocket to the frame rail. Yep, that's about it. Obviously U-bolts, those came apart easy. I need to get the metal clamshells off, and then we have our new rubber and our new springs and all kinds of fun and games over there. Also need to get this off here, which we'll flip this over in a minute and show you how that's done. All right, got our everything apart here. That's the bushing. It's still soft, but holy moly. Holy ovalized hole, Batman. Yeesh. All right, got our new spring with our new bushings. I know I have to take up one more bolt up there on the bracket. The new spring is mounted. Got the insulators where they need to go. Got the plates sitting where they need to go. Got the new shackles mounted. Looking good. Just gotta set the housing down, bolt that baby in, hook the shock back up, and this side is done.